Ever wondered how well you're managing your credit? Or maybe you're planning a big purchase and need to know your credit score. If you answered yes to either of those, then you need to get familiar with Transunion. But how do you even start? Let's dive in and create your Transunion account together. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of account creation, let's talk about why this matters. Your credit score is like a financial report card. It influences everything from getting a loan to securing a rental property. Having a Transunion account gives you direct access to your credit report, allowing you to monitor your financial health and identify any potential issues. Okay, let's get down to business. The first step is to head over to the Transunion website. You can usually find it by searching for Transunion on your preferred search engine. Once you're on the home page, look for the Create Account or Sign Up button. It's usually prominently displayed. Click on that. You'll be greeted with a registration form. Don't be intimidated by the length. It's essential information to verify your identity. You'll typically need to provide your full name, social security number, date of birth, and current address. Double-check everything before hitting submit. Accuracy is key here. Next up, you'll be asked to create a username and password. Make sure your password is strong and includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. You don't want just anyone accessing your financial information. Once you've set up your login credentials, you'll likely be asked to provide additional information like your phone number and email address. This is for account recovery and important notifications. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky. You might be asked to verify your identity through a multi-factor authentication process. This could involve answering security questions, providing a government-issued ID, or even taking a selfie. It might seem like overkill, but it's all about protecting your information. After successfully verifying your identity, you'll gain access to your Transunion account. You'll usually be presented with a dashboard that provides a snapshot of your credit score and other relevant information. But wait, there's more. You can often set up credit monitoring alerts. This means you'll be notified if there's any suspicious activity on your account or if your credit score changes significantly. Remember, checking your credit score regularly is crucial. It helps you stay on top of your financial health and detect any potential issues early on. Now, let's talk about some common questions. Many people wonder if there's a fee to create a Transunion account. The good news is that creating a basic account is usually free. However, there might be charges for additional services like credit monitoring or identity theft protection. Another common question is about the accuracy of your credit report. If you find any errors, you can dispute them directly through your Transunion account. It's important to review your report regularly to ensure everything is correct. So there you have it. Creating a Transunion account is a straightforward process that can provide valuable insights into your financial well-being. By taking the time to set up an account and monitor your credit, you're taking a proactive step towards securing your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.